In the early hours of 22nd of June, the United States carried out one of its most ambitious military operations in recent years, Operation Midnight Hammer. The targets three of Iran's most critical nuclear sites, Fordo, Natanz, and Isfahan. Donald Trump declared, Iran's nuclear program has been completely and totally obliterated. The decision to strike wasn't sudden. While Iran maintained its program was peaceful, the US and Israel suspected weapons-grade intentions. Negotiations with Tehran were failing, and despite public talk of diplomacy, President Donald Trump was already weighing military options behind closed doors. The operation's success hinged on stealth and surprise. Over 125 aircraft participated: bombers, refueling tankers, drones, and decoys. The US targeted three key nuclear sites: Fordo, which is Iran's most fortified facility, hidden beneath the Zagros Mountains; Natanz, Iran's main uranium enrichment center; Isfahan, a site home to fuel production and research reactors. Now let's explain the attacks one by one. Fordo. Buried under nearly 90 meters of rock, Fordo had long been deemed impenetrable. But the US responded with 7 B-2 stealth bombers carrying 12 massive ordnance penetrators. Despite the firepower, satellite images showed only partial surface damage. A ridge was flattened, but support buildings remained standing. Even Israeli officials admitted Fordo was seriously damaged but not eliminated. Natanz. Previously hit by Israel, Natanz was again in the crosshairs. It's where uranium had been enriched up to 60% near weapons grade. This time, the US targeted the underground centrifuge halls. Post-strike imagery showed craters and some structural damage, but there is no confirmation the facility was fully disabled. At Isfahan, the US Navy launched over 24 Tomahawk cruise missiles from a submarine. The site included labs and low-level enriched uranium. According to the International Atomic Energy Agency, or the IAEA, the building struck posed no immediate risk of nuclear fallout. Now, was it a success? Was Iran's nuclear program really obliterated? President Trump hailed the Iran strikes as a bullseye, claiming the nuclear sites were completely and totally obliterated. But early assessments paint a more mixed picture. The IAEA says it's too early to assess the full impact. Damage may be significant but remains unclear. Iran insists there were no casualties or material losses, claiming sites were evacuated and the program remains intact. Satellite images showed trucks leaving Fordo days before the strike. And experts say that physically damaging a nuclear site is not the same as dismantling a nuclear program. Infrastructure can be rebuilt, knowledge can't be bombed. At best, the strikes may have delayed, not dismantled, Iran's nuclear ambitions. If you like this explainer, like, share and subscribe to Business Standard.